Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's the AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro, and we're gonna set it up. So of course, first you need to turn it on if it's off by pressing and holding this button. Then you'll see this screen. You can change the language if you'd like, and you can also adjust some vision settings, like for example display size and text, magnification, select to speak or talk back, then click on start, and you can set up offline or set up with a network. I'll set up with a network, so I'll just select one, enter its password and click on done. Now let's wait a moment, it'll go automatically to the next step, and you can change the date and time. So I'll just quickly find my time zone. Well, I don't really see it. Okay, let's select this one. I think it's correct, yes. Let's adjust some Google services. You can enable or disable them based on your preference, and then click on accept. You can set a pin or skip, or if you want you can and the pin can have as many digits as you want, or you can select a different type, like a password with which is alphanumerical, or a pattern which is just connecting dots, and I think I'm gonna do it that way. So let's connect the dots, click on next, do it again, confirm. You can set up your fingerprint if you want. Well, let's do it. Click on more, agree. And now touch the power button without pressing it. Do it multiple times. It's worth adjusting your grip so it works in different conditions, no matter how you place it. Remember to move your finger between its scans so it scans the whole area of your fingerprint, and that is basically how you can do it. You can see it is pretty simple. Now the fingerprint is added. Let's click on next, and the device is set up. The last thing that I would recommend is also signing into your Google account, which you weren't prompted about during the setup, but you'll need it for the Play Store. So let's go there already. Let's click on sign in. Let's verify with a fingerprint if it asks you to do that, and enter your email. I'll actually, for that, I'm gonna disable first landscape mode, and I'm gonna enable auto rotate because I prefer it rotated like that. It's just easier to type for me. Okay, it has gotten me out of here just because it's updating the Google apps, so most likely I won't be able to sign in right now. So you can do it yourself later when it is possible, or no, it's actually possible already. So let's try to do it. Just the password now. After clicking on next with the password, select who will be using this device, click on next, click on agree, and we'll be good to go. That's basically done already. We can wait a little moment, click on accept, and get started. I'm gonna click on use biometrics to verify purchases, and as you can see, it is done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.